If you're over 60 and planning to fly soon, pause for just a moment. What I'm about to reveal could save you hundreds of dollars, hours of stress, and even your peace of mind. Subscribe now for more travel tips that save you time, money, and stress. Don't miss my TSA-approved travel essentials that every senior flyer should have for a smooth journey. Airports aren't just busy, they're carefully designed. Hidden inside every terminal are traps that quietly target seniors. Airlines know your habits, your trust, even your assumptions, and if you're not aware, they can turn those habits into fees, delays, or lost comfort. Take Maria, 67. She thought she had everything under control. Bags packed, documents ready, arriving early. But at the check-in counter, her carry-on was just 2 centimeters too large. That small difference? An $85 fee. By the time she reached her gate, she lost over $200 and 3 hours of calm she'd never get back. By the end of this video, you'll see through the tricks airlines use, avoid the costly mistakes most seniors fall for, and know exactly how to take back control of your travel experience.
Secret 7. The hidden pricing ladder. Imagine you're looking at a special senior discount for your upcoming flight. It looks perfect, cheaper than anything else online. But here's the catch. Airlines are masters at dynamic pricing, especially for senior travelers. Your age, your past bookings, loyalty program status, and even travel habits are quietly tracked. And that means what seems like a discount can actually trigger hidden fees or push the price higher than for other passengers. Airlines have built a pricing ladder that changes depending on who's looking. For example, a frequent traveler who checks multiple flights might suddenly see a slightly higher fare, even for the same seat, compared to a first-time traveler. Those senior-friendly promotions often come with strings attached, restricted seats, extra fees for luggage, or hidden charges for preferred boarding. It's all designed to make you pay more while thinking you're saving. Here's the insider edge. Track ticket prices in real time. Use apps or browser tools that show historical trends, price drops, and alerts for the same flight. If a fare spikes after your first search, don't panic. Wait, monitor, and book strategically when the pricing ladder dips. This simple trick can save you hundreds over multiple trips. And remember, this is just the first layer of their game. Airlines have another sneaky trick waiting: the upgrade trap. Seats labeled as premium or priority might seem optional, but knowing how the ladder works gives you an advantage before they nudge you to pay more. And this is only the beginning. Wait until you see the upgrade trap. What feels like luck is actually calculated psychology. Secret 6. The sneaky upgrade trap. Airlines know that comfort becomes a priority after 60. That's why last-minute upgrade offers, premium seats, extra legroom, or priority boarding are never random. They're carefully targeted at passengers whose habits are predictable, those who prefer ease over hassle, or who are willing to pay a little extra to avoid discomfort. Take George, 71, as an example. On a 3-hour flight, he was offered a last-minute seat upgrade to an exit row with extra legroom. It sounded tempting, but the $60 fees seemed steep. What George didn't realize was that similar seats often go unsold at check-in, and with a little strategy, he could have claimed one at a lower price, or even for free under certain circumstances. Airlines use subtle pressure to make seniors accept these upgrades. Messages pop up in emails or apps. Limited seats left. Upgrade your comfort now. Enjoy extra space for just X dollars. These prompts exploit natural instincts to avoid discomfort or long waits, turning convenience into a revenue stream. Here's the key to flipping the trap. First, always check available seats 24 hours before your flight. Airlines often release unsold premium seats then, giving you a chance to secure comfort without paying last-minute fees. Second, if traveling with a companion, look for window and aisle combinations. Sometimes the middle seat remains empty, giving you more space without spending extra. Third, understand which upgrades are actually worth it. Priority boarding might not matter if you're seated early, but exit row seats with genuine extra legroom can make a difference on long flights. By knowing this, you can navigate the upgrade offers strategically rather than impulsively. Airlines expect seniors to pay for comfort. They count on it. But with the right tactics, you turn the system to your advantage. But before you even board, another trap is quietly waiting, one that can cost more than any upgrade ever could. Secret 5. Technology as your secret weapon. Many seniors think technology is only for the younger crowd, but in modern air travel, it can be your best ally. Simple apps like FlightAware, Gate Guru, or even Google Flight Tracking can give you early warnings about delays, gate changes, or airport congestion, information that airlines won't always broadcast immediately. Take Carmen, 72, for example. On her trip to Buenos Aires, she used FlightAware to monitor her flight the night before. She learned about a 1-hour delay before the hotel even notified her. Instead of waiting anxiously at the airport, she enjoyed a relaxed breakfast, packed calmly, and arrived at the gate right on time. Gate Guru helped her navigate the terminal quickly, showing walking times to restaurants, lounges, and her departure gate. For Carmen, what could have been a stressful, chaotic start turned into calm, controlled travel. Setting this up isn't complicated. Step 1, download the apps on your phone. Step 2, link your flight number. Step 3, enable notifications. That's it. The apps will alert you to any changes, often before the airline makes a formal announcement. You don't need to check constantly, just rely on the alerts. For seniors, this level of preparedness can save hours of waiting, unnecessary walking, or missed connections. Even a basic Google search, typing your airport name plus flight number, can give real-time updates. Ask a family member to help set it up once, and you'll have it ready for every trip. Technology transforms uncertainty into control. Airlines expect seniors to be patient and uninformed, but when you use these tools effectively, you're no longer a passive passenger. Even with tech on your side, luggage rules still play against you, and that's where most seniors lose money first.
Secret 4. The documentation danger. Even seniors who think they're fully prepared can face big problems at the airport if their documents aren't completely in order. Missing or incomplete paperwork can cause delays, stress, and sometimes even fees you didn't expect. The key items to always have ready: prescription papers, medical device letters, and senior assistance requests. Prescription medications are one of the most overlooked pitfalls. Many seniors rely on a photo or a note on their phone, but airlines and security may require the original printed prescription. Even common medications like blood pressure pills or pain relievers can trigger extra checks under updated international travel rules. Without the proper documentation, you could face a 30 to 45-minute manual inspection, risk missing a connecting flight, or simply waste precious energy and patience. Medical devices are another area where preparation pays off. Pacemakers, hearing aids, knee or hip prosthesis often require a short letter from your doctor describing your condition and the device. Fernando, 74, learned this the hard way. On his first post-surgery flight, he didn't carry a pacemaker letter. Security pulled him aside and ran a full inspection, almost making him miss his connection. On his next trip, a simple letter got him through in 3 minutes. Here's a hidden bonus most seniors don't know. Airlines offer free senior passenger assistance if requested. This service can escort you from check-in all the way to your seat, saving time, energy, and stress. The trick is using the right words. Ask for elderly assistance or senior passenger assistance. Many staff won't mention it because the airline prefers selling their premium paid service, but asking correctly ensures you get it at no cost. Proper documentation isn't just a formality. It's your shield against delays, fees, and frustration. With these papers in hand, you reclaim control over your travel experience, making flying after 60 smoother, faster, and more predictable. And if you thought seats were just about comfort, think again. Airlines have a secret way of turning your seat choice into profit.
Secret 3. The seat game. Seat selection online might seem like a simple step when booking a flight, but for seniors, it's one of the sneakiest traps airlines have set. What looks like a convenient choice is actually a carefully designed revenue tactic. Every row, every seat, even the tiniest difference in legroom is calculated to nudge you toward paying more, without you realizing it. Premium seats, only slightly wider than standard ones, carry inflated prices. Standard seats are positioned near bathrooms or galleys, cramped and noisy, while middle seats quietly maximize passenger density. On paper, everything seems available, but in reality, it's a subtle way to make you spend extra. Consider Elena and her husband. They booked their dream trip to Europe, assuming their seats would be side by side, just like always. But when boarding day arrived, she found herself in row 12 and he was all the way in row 28, 8 rows apart across the plane, just because they didn't fully understand the tricks behind online seat displays. The airline was happy to help them for an extra $60 per person. Confusion had been turned into profit. But there's a smarter way to play the system. If you're traveling as a couple, pick a window and an aisle seat, leaving the middle open. In more than 70% of flights, that middle seat stays empty, giving you extra space without paying a dime. Avoid seats near bathrooms and galleys. They're noisy, cramped, and overpriced by roughly $20. For flights longer than 4 hours, emergency exit seats are genuinely worth it, but only if mobility isn't an issue. And here's a pro tip. Check for available seats 24 hours before departure. Airlines often release unsold premium seats at the last moment, and if you act quickly, you could snag near business class comfort while still paying economy. Once you understand the seat game, what used to feel like a gamble becomes a tool. You get comfort, control, and peace of mind, all without falling for the tricks designed to make you spend more. Now let's see why luggage is the biggest battlefield, where most seniors lose money before they even step on the plane.
Secret 2. The luggage trap. For many seniors, luggage seems like a simple part of traveling. A suitcase, a carry-on, maybe a few essentials. But airlines have turned luggage into a quiet money trap. And if you're not careful, it can cost you hundreds of dollars before you even reach your gate. The rules seem straightforward. Size limits, weight limits, carry-on allowances. But here's the catch. Every airline has slightly different measurements, and the scales at the airport are anything but consistent. What passes for acceptable at one check-in counter could trigger a fee on another, sometimes by just a few centimeters or a couple of pounds. Take Roberto, 68, as an example. He carefully weighed his carry-on at home, 22 pounds, right at the official limit. But at the airport, the scale read 24.5. In seconds, he faced a $75 fee and the embarrassment of repacking his underwear while the line behind him waited. And he wasn't unlucky. The airport scales themselves can vary up to 2 pounds, always in the airline's favor. Here's the good news. There's a way to fight back. First, invest in a digital luggage scale for about $15 and weigh your bags yourself. Always measure using the strictest standards, 21 by 14 by 9 inches for carry-on, 15 pounds maximum, and leave a 2-pound buffer. This simple step alone protects you from the airport's creative math. Second, pay attention to timing. Checked baggage fees fluctuate depending on when you pay. Book your baggage online with your ticket, and you might pay $25 to $35 for the exact same bag. Airlines rely on hesitation. They know many seniors won't question it and will just pay quietly. By taking control with a scale, strict measurements, and early payment, you can avoid this expensive trap entirely. Luggage doesn't have to be a stress point. It can actually become a tool to outsmart the system, saving money and time before you even board. But all of this starts with a surprising truth about why airlines target seniors, something that influences every step of your journey.
Secret 1. Why airlines target seniors. Before we dive into luggage, seats, or technology, it's crucial to understand the single biggest reason airlines focus on seniors. The airline industry isn't chaotic, it's calculated, and seniors are predictable in ways that make airlines quietly more profitable. Predictability, comfort needs, and trust are the keys. Seniors tend to pack carefully, plan ahead, and most importantly, pay quietly when fees appear. These habits might seem like common sense, but airlines have built entire revenue strategies around them. Take packing, for example. Seniors often prepare for every what-if scenario: an extra sweater, a backup pair of shoes, medications, and sometimes even snacks. Airlines know this instinctive over-preparation will push bags over weight or size limits, creating opportunities for extra charges. It's not because seniors are careless, it's because experience teaches them to prepare for every possible problem. That same preparation becomes a predictable revenue stream. Then there's comfort. After 60, convenience isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Airlines know seniors value ease, quiet, and legroom. They exploit this with last-minute seat upgrades, priority boarding, or extra legroom offers.
Most seniors don't resist. They accept these optional charges because the convenience feels worth it. Finally, trust. Seniors generally assume that the airline app, gate information, and staff will guide them correctly. They are polite, patient, and less confrontational, qualities airlines count on. Sudden fees, gate changes, or overbookings are more likely to go uncontested, quietly generating additional revenue. But here's the twist. Understanding this playbook flips the system in your favor. Once you see how airlines anticipate your habits, you can plan strategically. You can avoid unnecessary fees, pick the best seats, and use technology to stay informed. The same instincts that airlines expect to exploit can now be used as your advantage, giving you control over your travel experience. Once you know the playbook, the system stops controlling you. You reclaim your peace of mind, your time, and even your money, because travel after 60 should feel like freedom, not frustration.
By now, you've learned the secrets airlines hope you'll never notice. From why seniors are targeted, to luggage pitfalls, seat games, documentation dangers, tech tools, sneaky upgrades, and hidden pricing ladders, the truth is clear. Knowledge gives you control. It's not luck or chance that lets some travelers glide through airports while others stress and overspend. It's awareness. Traveling after 60 isn't about trying to recapture youth or prove anything. It's about claiming what you've earned: peace of mind, dignity, and the freedom to explore the world on your own terms. You've spent decades being responsible, working hard, and taking care of others. Now it's time to let your experience work for you, not against you. Imagine walking through the airport calmly, knowing your luggage meets every rule, your seat is exactly where you want it, your documents are perfectly organized, and you have the right tech to avoid last-minute surprises. Every step feels effortless because you know the playbook. The system that once expected you to be uninformed and patient now works in your favor. That's power, confidence, and freedom combined. So here's what you can do next. Share this video with someone flying soon, a parent, grandparent, or friend. Every senior traveler deserves to experience the world with clarity, calm, and confidence. Don't let hidden fees, confusing rules, or subtle tricks steal the joy of travel. Take control, use the strategies you've learned, and make every trip after 60 truly enjoyable and stress-free. Remember, traveling isn't just moving from one place to another. It's reclaiming your right to experience the world without fear or frustration. Travel smart, travel proud, and never let the system play you again.